Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hadi, and today I'm gonna present to you about insurance versus Takaful, benefit and type of product for insurance and Takaful, presented by me and my group. So now let's move on to the insurance. So when you say about insurance, we will start with the ownership of the fund for the insurance. In the conventional law or conventional insurance, once you pay for the premiums, the money belongs to the insurance company, and if no claim is made, the company keeps all the profit based on the insurance conventional law. So as we can see, a risk transfer contract between the insured and the insurer. And the next is the insurer pays a premium, which we need to pay the premiums for the insurance, and the insurer compensates for losses when a specific risk occur. And it is based on the conventional law. So when we pay for the insurance on the conventional law, we usually pay a premium, which the insurer will compensate for losses if something happens to me or my company. But if no risk is occur when the time period, and then the profit will be kept in the insurance. So we can see for the fatwas on prohibited of insurance, the Fatwa Committee of the National Council for Islamic Religious Affairs, Malaysia, at its meeting on 15 June 1972, discussed and deliberated on the issue of life insurance and resolved. As we can see, for Muslims, it will be better for us to take a Takaful than the conventional law. So let's move on to the Takaful. So in Takaful, the money contribute belongs to the participant pools, which is the Takaful operator act as a manager, a wakil in Arabic, rather than an owner. If there is a surplus at the end of the year because of there's no claim or claim lower than expected, then the money is often shared back to all of the participants who pays in Takaful. So based on Sharia compliance, Takaful have not follow all of the all the Sharia compliance, which is Takaful is designed to avoid three specific things that are forbidden in our religion, Islam, which is sigara, uncertainty, and maisir, gambling, and also riba, the interest. So in mutual assistance, Takaful is rooted in Arabic as a kafala, which means guaranteed each other, and it's built on the idea of donating or tabaru. And up to the policy, it doesn't mean that you need to be Muslim to participate in Takaful, but also pick a Takaful as your choice, even if you are non-Muslim. So that is the difference between Takaful and the insurance. We move on to the Takaful applications and benefits. So let's see. So the first is Tawa'un, which means the mutual cooperations. So in Takaful, the participants voluntarily helps each other. So the participants helps one another voluntarily. In Takaful, the people all share in the common funds, which gonna contributes to help the member who faces loss, accidents, or hardships. As an example, if there is members or the participant whose accidents, then the money will be compensated to him by the share fund. So this by all means that it's emphasizes the solidarity and brotherhood and the spirit in the community, which follows the Islamic values. We move on to the shared ownership of funds. So the Takaful fund is owned collectively by all the participants and not belongs to the operator. So the money is collectively owned by all the participants, and the operator is only act as the operator who only manages the fund on behalf of participants, which can be said the operator will be like an administrator and not the owner. So, as example, if there is extra profit, extra money or surplus after the claims is made, then the money will be shared to all of the participants and not be kept as the company profit. And as you can see here, any surplus belongs to the participants, and that makes it the system to be more transparent and also fair. And as we see, the Takaful is a shared or can be seen as a cooperative and fairness, and also Sharia compliance, which can be said that Takaful is a better choice rather than the conventional law. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Dini Ilman. Today I want to present about benefits of insurance and Takaful. So the first slide is peace of mind. So insurance and Takaful provide peace of mind by offering financial protection against unexpected risks such as accident, illness, or property loss. When individual and families are covered, they feel more secure knowing that financial support is available during difficult situations. This protection reduces stress and anxiety because people do not have to worry about sudden expenses that could affect their savings or daily life. As a result, insurance and Takaful help individuals focus on their future with greater confidence and stability. So the next slide is loss control. Another important benefit of insurance and Takaful is loss control, which encourage individual and organization to practice prevention and proper risk management. Insurance provider often promote safety awareness and responsible behavior to reduce the chances of accidents or losses. By planning ahead and managing risk effectively, the financial impact of unexpected event can be minimized. This not only protect assets but also help people develop better financial planning habits and safer lifestyle. So, and last but not least is social benefits. Insurance and Takaful also provide significant social benefits by supporting individuals and families during times of hardship. Through the concept of mutual assistance, especially in Takaful, members contribute collectively to help those facing financial difficulties. This system promotes community welfare, cooperation, and shared responsibility among society. In long term, insurance and Takaful contribute to economic stability by reducing financial burdens and helping and communities recover more quickly from unexpected challenges. That's all from me. Thank you.
So this is the type of product for insurance and Takaful. First one is personal and life protection, managing human risk. Life insurance or Takaful, it provides financial protection to individuals and their families in the event of their insured's death, disability, or critical illness. For example, a small business owner purchases a term life plan to provide income replacement for their family in case of their untimely death. Second one is physical asset and logistic protection, managing tangible risks. Property insurance or Takaful, it provides coverage for damage or loss to physical property, including buildings, equipment, and inventory, due to risks such as fire, theft, or natural disasters. For example, a situation given is a small retail store owner purchases property insurance to protect their store building and inventory from damage or theft. So in this case, their asset or their store will be compensated by the insurer, by the company insurance. So for the last product, it is liability and contingency protection, managing operational risk. Liability insurance or Takaful liability. It covers legal liabilities arising from bodily injury, property damage, or other losses for which the insurer is held responsible. For example, a given situation here, a large corporation invests in general liability insurance to protect against claims of bodily injury or property damage caused by its operations. That's all from me. Thank you.